still drying up, and look, this whole entire thing dried. The roots are pretty much nice and green. That's coming up. So this orchid has not been flowering for me, and I just kind of left it, and all the leaves looked like this. But I've been soaking it in water, and I added turmeric, and you can see already 2 leaves are almost perfect. This one's starting to look a little less wrinkly too, and the others I'm sure are gonna follow. Yay. This is just one day later. It still looks wrinkly, but it's not as limp as yesterday. Here's the orchid after 10 days in the turmeric water. It's super plump. The leaves are, this one's super smooth. This one's a tiny bit wrinkly, but it's hard. This one is damaged. That's not going to get fixed. But it's stiff. Every leaf is stiff. And the stems are bright green. Those I'll probably cut off because they're yellowing. But otherwise, that's impressive. I literally just cut the root ball off and only have the air roots left. Keep that in for a few more days. See if we can get this one to look any better. So the stems have been in this turmeric water since the 16th, and today is the 28th. And I noticed that this one stem looks nice at the bottom, but it has a dry area right at the top here. So I just filled up the water a little more, and I'm going to let that soak in there and see what happens. This leaf is still pretty ugly, even though it's taut. I'm thinking I might cut that off. The rest of the leaves look pretty much brand new. Alright, I'm going to cut this leaf. Well, all that hard work for nothing since I came back from my vacation, and my orchid is clearly dead. There's no coming back from this. But it was fun while it lasted.